Let me read out the question. The question is, what if we have discrete predictor column? Predictor can be anything, doesn't matter. Continuous target, then you go for regression. If you have discrete in the predictor columns, if you have whether discrete or whether you are continuous, doesn't really matter. Since your output target variable is continuous, still linear regression somehow works. Okay. But you may not get good accuracy. You will get very poor accuracy if you have all discrete. If you have all discrete predictors, in fact, a simple discrete predictor is something like the one that we have created, indicator variables. All the indicator variables are discrete only, right? Whether we have zeros and ones. So in that case, you can still build the model. Maybe if you have everything like this, then your model accuracy will be bad. So looking at the target, you decide whether it is linear regression or whether it is, simple words, people say, whether it is a regression problem or whether it is a classification problem, is decided by looking at the target variable y. Okay. Let me read out the question from Pranaya. Can we say that linear doesn't respond to all categorical output? You mean to say linear doesn't work for categorical output? Yes, linear regression is not suitable for categorical output. If it is not suitable for binary output like this, even for multiple output 0, 1, 2, 3, for this type of output also, it doesn't work. Even for multi-class output, I haven't discussed multi-class yet. We will reach there after understanding the binary classification as of now. Okay, let me take one or two more questions. Abman, you got the answer, Pranaya. Okay. Okay.